Is your Walmart family mobile phone not turning on or showing no signal? Don't worry, these are common problems with straightforward solutions. Let's tackle the no power issue first. Ensure your phone is charged using an official Walmart family mobile charger to avoid counterfeit issues that have increased since 2024. If it still doesn't power on, try a force restart by holding the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. If you're experiencing no signal, the issue is likely network related. Begin by toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Next, check Walmart's coverage map or use their signal strength checker tool to confirm you're in a coverage area. If problems persist, reset your network settings in your phone's settings menu or contact support to verify SIM activation. In rural areas, consider using a signal booster antenna, especially if you've recently experienced service disruptions due to network upgrades. Remember to use the Family Mobile app or website for self-service troubleshooting. Keep up with the trends and look for 5G-enabled devices. They should reduce signal issues by 30% compared to 4G models. Experiencing frequent app crashes with the Family Mobile app. App crashes are a common issue, even after the Q3 2025 update that addressed bugs. Start by clearing the app's cache and data in your phone's settings. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Android 15 or iOS 18 compatibility is best. Also, check for conflicting VPNs or other apps that might interfere with the Family Mobile app. Disabling those may solve the issue. Looking ahead, expect more resilient devices with AI-driven updates preventing crashes. Battery longevity is also improving. In the near future, the Family Mobile app will be more integrated with the Walmart ecosystem, offering features like app-linked grocery discounts. However, watch out for cybersecurity threats like SIM swapping, which could increase app-related issues.